dark, beloved. Coming any day now.
It's really hard to get them going.
Why? What's up, Blake? What's over there?
Don't move. I just smacked me on his little butt.
Whoa.
He tore. He was like insane.
Oh shit. Jumped it! Nailed it. Oh, look at me go.
Oh, you old man.
Where'd Springer go? Oh, hi, Springer. Where's Migo? Hi, Migo. I think he's going back to Narnia. Let's watch Springer. Watch Springer. He'll like gallop over to him. You know you can't live without him.
He's going to Narnia. And they really like him.
He's going to Narnia. You're not in the picture. Okay. He went to Narnia. Springer needs to go to Narnia.
Springer, are you kidding me? Just a gallop for the
Vicky,
Narnia.
go, 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 go.
There's no such thing as walking to Narnia.
It has to be like a...
That's not called Narnia.
Bye-bye. Narnia.